Hi, welcome this video about to check the complex max question with the help of ChatGPT and what happening. Okay, let's go. So now I give one complex mathematical model like x plus xy plus y equal to 54 and xy are positive integers. Then what is xy? When I give to ChatGPT, so ChatGPT gives the answer, therefore there is no value for x plus y that satisfy the equation for this condition. They have verified in a different way and check it that, and then finally it solves is not a positive integer, so it's not have any variable solution. So I just type kindly check one more time. Here also it shows if there is no possible generation, so I give different regenerative response. So up to 3 times it's not shows a valid answers, so that means if they don't predict the answers till now, so I give another chance. Yeah, so this is our main case. So that point they have tried to solve this x plus xy plus y equal to 54 equation. They have solved that the way. Then they have chance is a x and y both are integers, so they have put a integer value, so like that the factorization they have planned to the factorization is an integer, so they have try with y with a different value. Let's try y with 1 and y with 2. So what's happening, so y with 1 it's not giving a integer value, but y is 2 equal to it's give the integer answer like x equal to 17. So it's having, you substitute this equation x equal to 17 and it's identify the value of y, but I don't know why it didn't calculate is x plus y equal to 19, but why didn't it calculate the primary equation of our question. So our primary equation of our question is nothing but x plus xy plus y equal to 54. So when I choose x equal to 17 and y equal to 2 and substitute this equation, it doesn't solve. So this is our primary question, but when you solve that technique, they don't consider about that solving that primary question is obey the rule or not. So one of the biggest problem I found in this ChatGPT mechanism. Okay, so I will give in a new window, new training mechanism, like I give another one time the same question with different response, because still we didn't get a right solution. This also a wrong solution only. So still now we don't get the values. Still now it's giving a wrong answer. So one time it's not give the right value, that's fine, because they didn't identify the solution in their way. They have, therefore there's no value x plus y that satisfies the equations. But what happened with the answer is x plus y equal to 19. Okay, but this also not a right answer. So I will check one more time also. So it's gives 6 and 4. So here also the problem is still it doesn't give a right solution, but it's give x equal to 4 and y equal to 6, x plus y equal to 10. But when you apply our primary equation, so 4 and y equal to 6 means we didn't get the answer right here now. This is the wrong answer. So when I found that this ChatGPT reinforcement learning technique, they have using a reward technique. So both the case like supervised learning mechanism they are using. So only when you return this code, they don't underestimate and even it's not verify the primary question is this question it's obey or not. It's derive everything and finally just solve the equation like a previous step. Say they don't consider the primary step. So we need to consider that before go to this step. We need to how to solve the problem manually. So we need to know how to solve the problem manually. We just given one explanation. So I will give one model. We have written the model x and y. So both are positive integers, so must be greater than 0. Then what's value we need to add? The equation is nothing but x plus xy plus y equal to 54. So when you solve, you just commonly take x plus thing. So we have put x plus y equal to 54. So when it comes under model, so this is only a super advanced mathematics concept. So when you use both sides, some addition or multiplication or subtraction, this is one of the advanced mathematical or logical thinking concept. So we just put here x 1 plus y plus y plus 1. So we have add this additional value here. So here also we have add 54 plus 1. It's nothing but 55. So what happened with this equation? So now you commonly took that equation means you just put the break full section means now this equation is simply modified like, sorry, this is a multiplication factor. Yeah, x plus 1 into y plus 1 equal to 55. Yeah, the point is you got the point. So you just have multiplication term. Here is the multiplication term. Okay, x plus 1 plus into y plus 1 equal to 55. Now you got the idea because it's a multiplication factor. A into b equal to 55 means already we said is a integer value, positive integer value. So when you go for this positive integer value, we have two chances, right? One is 1 cross 55 equal to 55, or 11 cross 5 equal to 55, maybe 5 cross 11, whatever maybe. So the first chance is fails because 1 cross 55. So if you put 1 means the x equal to 0, so you just avoid this concept. Now you took this concept x equal to 11, sorry, x plus 1 equal to 11, x plus 1 equal to 11 and y plus 1 equal to 5. So when you go for this model, you are easy to identify this value like this. So x equal to 10 and y equal to 4. So now we have applied this equation. So when you apply this equation, we got the same value, x 10 and y 4. So 10 plus 4 14 and 10 into 4 40. So this is our answer. Maybe x equal to 10, y equal to 4, otherwise y equal to 4, sorry, x equal to 4, y equal to 10. So this is the concept when you implement that. But now you move on. Secondly, you check our ChatGPT answers. Okay, so it doesn't identify the value, but it doesn't a problem because it's a new machine. But what happened means they have tried to give some any answer without verify that. So how to solve the problem? So it's an important thing. So already we know we have go with this equation, and this equation like simplified equation like this is the simplified equation, right? X plus 1 into y plus 1 equal to 55. So now I have given the same concept. So that means what I am trying means instead of this question, the question is same but input is different, like x plus 1 into y plus 1 equal to 55. Then what's the value of x plus y? So they have calculate easily. So first of all, it's go the divider concept. Then easy to identify the value for possible factor. Then they have identified the values. Yeah, just wait, just wait. Yeah, they are easy to identify the value. So they have identified the value for x for 10 and y for 4. So they have simply identified the value. So in this part the ChatGPT works well, but when you given some complex equation means it doesn't work well. So first of all I will explain the problems. The problem is a main thing. We are given a primary thing first, but they don't compare this value because after that it is identify the x and y value. So x and y value, but didn't it check the primary question, the primary rules is obey or not. So it's the first thing. So we need to learn the chat gpt based on the primary questions or some of the important parameters. So in the sentence, if you give any sentence, from the sentence we need to identify which one is the important parameters and which one is the less priority, because the priority is very important in machine learning. Because when you comes to machine learning to general AI, the general AI is depend upon full of priorities and their value. Update our concept. And other thing is, most of the things I understand because I will check most of the time what happened, why it's giving a different answers. Here you also giving answer x plus y is 14. 14 is right, but it's x plus y is different, 8 plus 6. So when you obey this equation, it's not obey. So I have understand its factors is very good. Like first of all we have also write this thing only, x plus y into x plus 1 equal to 54. But what they are missing in this max equation means they don't add any parameter, like we need to add left and right. So in our thing, in our question we have add here, like after plus y we have add this plus 1 concept in right side, sorry, in left side and right side. They don't have in chat gpt learning mechanism, they don't give their like inputs everywhere. So when you give the inputs that section, that also important. So when I consider the general AI or related to the human intelligence, why the human intelligence is more power? So human intelligence works under the situations, under the time, under the surrounding environments. So every time our priorities and importance is gives to different in different time and different space and different surroundings. So that's a case here also. We need to identify, if you give any sentence, which one is important. So we need to update the general AI, maybe whatever maybe it's ChatGPT or Lambda or whatever maybe. So we need to update some of the sections. Then we have give more important in our outputs. Okay, thank you for watching.